Hello, sweet friends and crafters. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be doing specimen slides. And I just love these in a journal. I like to put these in little tuck spots and in little pockets. They look so cute peeking out. And as you can see through them. That is so fun. These are easy to make, and I'm going to show you how today. So I created these using this die right here. It's from KS Craft, and it's called Specimen Cards, small size. So I use this die to create these little specimen slides, and you get 3 dies with this. There's this one here that you can, that's what I used for each of the die specimen cards. And then you get this one here, which, let me see, here's one. I know I did one. Here's one with a backing. So I did one just to show you what it looks like with a backing. Basically, I don't use that this much. I just made one for you to see. And then this one here cuts out your acetate to create these specimen cards. So I'm going to put this aside, and I'm going to show you how to create these. And I did create a shaker one here. As you can see, I did one shaker. The rest of them are just specimen slides without shaker material in the center. So you can use the basic instructions that I did to create this. The only other thing that you would do is cut a piece of foam, and I just have 2mm foam that I had purchased at Hobby Lobby. I just cut an extra one and sandwiched it in between. That's how you would do your shaker. All right, the rest of them are just, you know, specimen cards with the little flowers, specimens in the center. The images that I used are Cottage Girls from my Porch prints, and they're the Fussy cuts. I just wanted to show them all to you. And then I used some stickers from Mr. Paper on AliExpress. And I'll show you one of the little bags. This is how they come. And they're $2 and under for a bag of about 40. Just to give you an idea in case you want to purchase some. So let's go ahead and do our little specimen slide. It's really pretty simple. So you're going to have two on the designer paper. So my paper comes from the Cottage Girls Junk Journal Kit. You get 10 sheets of different designer paper to use. So I print them on 110-pound cardstock from Georgia Pacific from Walmart. And then I cut 2 out in this particular color. And then I cut 2 of just these plain white to make them stiff on some 110-pound cardstock. All right, and all I do is glue these together. Let me get my glue. So this is the front side of the die cut. I'm attaching this to the front side of the die cut. And the same with the second one. This is pretty easy to do and pretty fast. And these are great embellishments for mini albums as well as cards. They look really cute in a pocket. All right, and now you're going to need 2 pieces. I use it anyway because I sandwich in between. I use 2 pieces of acetate. And I just cut that with the die that is included with this set. And you're just going to put some glue around the window here. I try to get it on the little stitching because there is stitching on this die. Then you're going to put your little window on top. Set it aside, and then we're going to do the window in the second one. Again, try to get it on the stitching. And just a tiny, tiny line, because you don't want that glue leaking onto the acetate and causing an image or a smudge, I should say. All right, now